Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery health and creating a baseline so you can measure improvement. Once done, update the operating system and apps because software fixes reduce phantom drain. Next, charge fully to 100% and run the device until it shuts off to recalibrate the meter. This helps the system report accurately. While that cycle completes, close heavy background apps and disable weirdway clocks. Make sure to note the baseline percent so you can compare after making changes. Now you tweak settings that directly affect power draw. First, reduce screen brightness to around 40% or enable adaptive brightness because the display is the biggest consumer. Then, disable radios you do not need, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, when idle since periodic scans wake the device. Once done, enable battery saver modes and restrict background data for apps that show high usage. This prevents background sync from draining battery. Also, uninstall or disable apps with high. To finish, adopt maintenance habits that preserve capacity. Avoid frequent fast charging and keep the battery between 20% and 80% when convenient, because that reduces long-term wear. If battery health is under 80%, plan a certified battery replacement to restore runtime. If you still see excessive drain, boot into safe mode to isolate apps and examine battery usage logs. This helps identify rogue processes. Finally, if troubleshooting fails, contact support or a trusted technician and document the steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.